Hello, everyone. This is Miss Sophie from the UNT Trio Talent Search Office, and today's video will cover how to apply for the North Central Texas College General Scholarship. So let's begin. You are going to open up the internet and type in NCTC scholarships. It is the first link that you see pops up on the screen. Now, please note that this scholarship is due April 15th at midnight. The priority deadline is April 1st. The difference between the two is, let's say you apply April 3rd, then your application will be reviewed over someone that applies for it April 15th. There's a pot of money, so think about the first come, first serve, kind of like we talked about when completing the FAFSA. So this money is used for summer 2020, fall 2020, as well as spring 2021. So for you seniors graduating, you can use this money once you graduate to attend summer school in the fall semester and the spring semester. That is very important because this is how you pay for school. So let's begin. The scholarship guide is here on the page as well on the right side. So once again, April 1st is the priority deadline. April 15th is the final deadline. As of today, the scholarship committee has not extended the deadline due to the changes with COVID-19. So keep in mind the deadline is April 15th. So step one, you must have completed your application to North Central Texas College. Once again, you cannot complete this application for the scholarship if you have not completed your admission application to NCTC. You will do that on applytexas.org. If you view my channel, I have a video on how to create your Apply Texas account as well as starting your college application. Step two, you should receive an email from NCTC that has your information that says thank you for applying, and they will provide you with your NCTC username and password. Please do not delete any emails that you aren't familiar with. Make sure you read the emails, mark them as unread, forward them to your counselor or your talent search advisor, and they can provide you information as to what the email is asking for. So that is called your one login. The one login gives you the opportunity to access your My NCTC portal as well as the scholarship application and Canvas. And Canvas is the online database or format that people are using to do online classes now. So let's go ahead and log in. So you will get your username and your password from your email, as I stated earlier. Let's hope my password works. And we wait. Okay, so like I said before, all these apps are the ones that you have access to one login. So instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 logins, you have one login that accesses you to multiple applications. Your email, Canvas, My NCTC. For those of you new students, you will access My NCTC to get unofficial transcripts, request official transcripts. It does cost $3.25 to send an official transcript to another institution. That is a new rule that they implemented a couple months ago. And Safe Colleges and security awareness trainings, as well as your email. So because I am not an active student at NCTC, I do not have the general scholarship application or app. You will see that here. You click there and you fill out the application. And so once you log in, you have access to that app. They have a list of helpful tips, and you will also need to upload your transcript. You can request a PDF version of that from your counselor or your talent search advisor, as well as getting the unofficial copy from your My NCTC if you're a current NCTC student. Recommendation letters. They will accept at least 3 academic or professional recommendation letters. You should let the person know that they should expect an email from NCTC. You will need their first name, last name, and email address. Be sure to tell them, hey, I would like to use you as a reference for my general scholarship. be on the lookout from an email from NCTC. And this is what the email will look like. It is an online letter of recommendation. So the application for the scholarship is due the 15th, and the recommendations are due April 17th. So make sure you tell your person to have your letter of recommendation submitted by April 17th. They will ask for a personal essay that addresses your educational and career plans and how NCTC will help you achieve them. So you can talk about if you planning on going to NCTC for 2 years, what do you plan on doing afterwards, and how North Central Texas College will help you achieve those goals. As well, make sure you put any unusual circumstances for the committee to consider. They don't know if you're in need because your dad lost his job or your mom lost his job. So make sure you put all that information in so they consider your application. And so add another answer. You will see this under institutional information. And then you can save and keep editing and finish and submit. And then reviews do not begin until after the deadline. So you can make changes before April 15th, but after that, you need to make sure you go in, proofread, revise, and check your answers to submit the application. So who can apply? If you are a dual credit student, you can apply for this for this scholarship. If you are a full-time or part-time student, you can apply for this. If you're working on your certificate, if you are working on additional degrees. So basically, if you are planning to attend NCTC, this scholarship is for you. So what's next? The committee will review your application, and you will get an email if you receive the award by the end of May. If you have any questions, once again, contact your high school counselor, your talent search advisor, or Miss Kim Carroll at her email or her phone number. So they have some great scholarship application and essay tips right here. That way you guys can read them over, and that way you can learn how to stand out. And it's not hard, you guys. Answer the question, be personable, and tell your story. Do not give oh, I love doing community service because it helps me to give back. Okay, that is not helping you stand out. That is not helping you to really show who you are. So once again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can contact us on Remind or via email. Have a great day.